children. Today we will see addition of a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number or a 2-digit number. Okay. Now here 100 is called a 3-digit number because it has got 3 digits 1, 2, 3. So 100 is called a 3-digit number. What is it called? A 3-digit number. So here we have few examples of addition of a 3-digit number by 3-digit number or 2-digit number. So we'll see how to do addition. We know we always start addition from ones column. So let's start marking ones, tens and hundreds column. So this 4 is in ones column. Write O. This is tens T. The next H. Okay. Ones column, tens column and hundreds column. We always start addition from ones column. So 4 plus 4. 4 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. What do you get the number? 8. When you add 1 to any number, you get the next number. So 5 plus 1 is, what is after number of 5? 6. So write 6. Next 2 plus 3. 3 is bigger. So 3 in your mind. 2 on your fingers, count up to 3, 4, 5. Hooray! Your number formed is 568. Okay? This is ones column, this is tens column, this is hundreds column. The number formed after adding these two 3-digit numbers, we get the answer here. This is called the sum. You read this number as 568. Okay? Now start the next one. Start marking ones column, tens column. The next, what is this column called? Hundreds column. Okay? We always start addition from ones column. So 5 plus 3. 5 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. Count after 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the number here? 8. Now next comes 8 plus 2. 8 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. Count after 8, 9, 10. Do we write 10 here? No, because we have one more house here. We know when you have another house on your left hand side, you write this number 10 here. This goes in tens column, this goes in hundreds columns. What is the tens column number here is 0. What is the hundreds column number? It goes as carrying. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. What is the number formed? 408. After addition, the sum is 408. Okay. Now start marking ones column, tens column, hundreds column. 6 plus 2. 6 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. Count after 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 2. 3 in your mind. Count after 3, 4, 5. You don't have any number to add to this 4. You bring down this directly. So 458. The sum is 458. Next, start marking the ones column, tens column, hundreds column. When you add 0 to any number, you get the same number. So start adding from ones column. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 3, 3 in your mind. 1 on your finger, count up to 3, 4. So the sum is 452. Okay? The sum is 452. So this is the addition of 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. So when you have carrying in any of these columns in ones column or tens column, you don't write a 2-digit number here directly. You write it to one side. If it is in tens column, mark it as tens. The next column will become hundreds. If this is in ones column, you write it as ones and tens. Right? Suppose they have given here 5 plus 5 in ones column. So 5 plus 5 becomes 10. So this 0 will come here and this 1 will go there. But here we have 8 plus 2 here in tens column. Right? So we do addition after ones column. We write the carrying number in the hundreds column here and do the addition similar. Okay. Let's see a few more examples of carrying.